Hello, dear participants. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Andrii Savytskyi. I'm Master of Sciences in Molecular Biology, currently going for my PhD in the same field, and also the head of Longevity Analytics at Deep Knowledge Group. So today I would like to discuss the diversity of biomarkers and their digitalization, especially in the longevity industry. To tell you a little bit more about the company I'm currently working with, it's a Deep Knowledge Group. It is a consortium of commercial and not-profit organizations which are distinguished in multiple fronts, such as IE and longevity, fintech, govtech, or investech. So my field of responsibility here lies in the field of longevity analytics, and the Aging Analytics Agency, Neurotech Analytics, and Deep Pharma Intelligence, as a subsidiaries of Deep Knowledge Group, deal with that topic and dig precisely into the understanding of longevity industry market. To tell you more, right now our database consists of more than 55,000 companies, multiple investors, research hubs in different sectors. They are located to different sectors connected into longevity ecosystem, which stands like for geroscience, age tech, longevity gene therapy, AI for longevity, etc. Especially our focus lies in field of biomarkers discovery and biomarkers interpretation. We cover multiple regions in our analysis. As far as I know, the global scope is the main priority for our analysis. Due to our long-lasting mission of developing and of understanding of longevity industry and the core factors which contribute to the changes and novelty rising in this sector, starting from 2014, we are going deep into the analysis of some specific sectors, and we have our own ongoing publication, which is called the Longevity Industry Journal, which describes everything new or all the novelties which happened during the last financial year, which is really important for businesses in this sector. Based on our analysis and our precision in biomarkers, analytical case studies preparation, the ongoing effort of creating a more precise analysis of those sectors is shown on that slide. As far as you can see, our understanding of the importance of biomarkers for longevity industry in general and precise health tech right now is increasing in a really fast pace. Thus, we are creating more and more reports on general market of biomarkers currently available. What are biomarkers if we want to discuss them? So, as term stands for biomarker, it is a measurable indicator of some biological state or condition. Yes, in general, in our practice right now, we can see that biomarkers play a crucial role in drug discovery, in clinical practice, and biomedical research. As far as we can see, the biomarkers in the aging field, they play a distinguished role in understanding of aging as a process and understanding the physical condition of the person which age we try to analyze. As you can see on this graph, there is such factor as biological age indicated. Right now, the scientists have a consensus on the point that biological age is a more precise measure to estimate the physical condition of the person, and chronological age does not always represent the real biological age of the person. Thus, a specific algorithm needs to be created in order to get the distinct vision of the physical condition of the person to provide the best treatment for that patient. As far as we understand biomarkers, the Deep Knowledge Group sees biomarkers and in more practical applications than the market is currently indicating. We suggest that financial products and digital avatars in future will be strongly reliant on biomarkers and their estimations. Such as, for example, financial markets can have a better longevity risk hedging, investment risk reduction, or personalized financial risk optimization with utilizing the biomarkers and their estimations of the distinguished person or a population in general. Currently, the pyramid of the biomarkers dependencies is built on the fundamental blocks such as molecular biomarkers, biochemical biomarkers, physiological, and imaging biomarkers. Yet all of them are coming to the one point of analysis, which is right now dedicated to artificial intelligence in biomarkers. And of course, they are undergoing digitalization in order to reduce costs. In general, if you want to go for the basic understanding of the biomarkers classification, they are classified under molecular, biochemical, physiological, imaging, and digital spectrums. Imaging and digital are right now digitalized enough in order for them to be used on regular basis, yet molecular and biochemical and physiological biomarkers are still undergoing the process because the approach of their estimation and analysis is really invasive and takes a lot of biochemical testing in labs. All of that all of the biomarkers which are estimated in some persons are afterwards analyzed using different kind of algorithms, and currently the algorithms are getting more precise and getting more to be like an artificial intelligence or some machine learning algorithms. That creates a sphere of digital avatars, specialized omics biomarkers, and specialized femtech biomarkers, which stands for biomarkers estimation of female conditions. At the present moment, the landscape looks like this from the perspective of Deep Knowledge Group and Aging Analytics Agency. There are more than 400 companies in the sector. A lot of investors are coming in and came to the field of biotech and longevity biomarkers, especially in the last 5 years. And of course, the core driver of all the research are R&D centers, which are mostly located in the institutions. The core changing factor which induced the facilitated transition to digitalization of biomarkers happened in 2018. As far as you can see in that year on the scale of longevity research timeline, the new methodologies arose such as transcriptomic aging clocks, which can produce a biological age estimation based on transcriptome, and facial aging clocks, the digital biomarkers based algorithm that generated the same result that transcriptomic aging clocks produced, thus showing that digital biomarkers can be reliable and be more cost effective than alternative methods. It was the venture point for digitalization of the biomarker start in the really fast pace. Right now, the general market seems like this on the proportion distribution. As far as you can see, the medical imaging, you could say the digitalized version of biomarkers take up 50% of the market in general. Artificial intelligence estimation in biomarkers take 11%, and digital biomarkers, conceptually as digital biomarkers, take 8%. In general, almost 70% of the biomedical biomarkers in longevity sector are right now digitalized. Also, under the forecast, you can see that the number of the companies is increasing every year by the 46 to 50 companies per each fiscal year, and this creates a strong market influence to